Welcome to PLR Sales Funnels. In this video, I'm going to show you how you sign up for hosting. The hosting company I'm going to use for this demonstration is HostGator, which you can find out more about here at hostgator.com. And at the time that I'm making this video, they are running a special offer with 60% off, although it may not be valid when you come to this site, but their prices generally are fairly reasonable. And you can see they offer lots of different things. They offer web hosting, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, resellers, VPS, which is virtual private server, dedicated, and they also sell domains. But it's best to buy your domain from a different company from your hosting, because that way, if there's any problems, you don't lose everything all in one go. Okay, I want to look at their web hosting offers. So let's click here on web hosting. And you can see, if I choose down here, you've got various different types of things. You've got their hatchling plan, their baby plan, and their business plan. And this enables you, the hatchling plan, which is the one I'm going to go for this demonstration, offers you to host a single domain, one-click installed, unmetered bandwidth, and a shared SSL certificate. Or if you're going to have more than one domain, you might want to go for their baby plan, which has unlimited domains. And you can see you can sign up for 3 years, or you can sign up for just 1 year or 6 months, or you can pay monthly if you prefer. I'm going to stick with the default settings for this particular demonstration. So then I click here to sign up now. It takes you through to this page, and you can choose a domain. You can either register a new domain through them, or if you already have a domain, click on this tab. You can enter your domain name in there, and then you choose your hosting plan, the package type, the billing cycle, your username, your security PIN, etc. And then you enter in your billing information, and you can pay by credit card or PayPal. You can add additional services if you wish, and you can add in the coupon code and so on. And you can see you get the maximum discount if you pay the whole amount in one go, but you see you're getting a discount of $159.11. Then you have to check the box that says you have read and agreed to the terms of service and the cancellation policy and privacy policy, and then click here on Checkout Now. And once all that's done, you'll be emailed a receipt, and then it's time to link your hosting account and your domain together. Okay, the next thing that you have to do is you have to set up the name servers. And what the name servers do is they basically link your domain name and your hosting account together. Now, to set up the name servers, you need to log into your domain name registrar. And in this particular case, we're using Namecheap. So I've logged in, and I've come down here to where it says domain list. And it shows all the domains that I have on this particular site, and there's only one, which is newvideoforyou.site. So I'm going to have to manage this, so click here where it says manage. And you can see if I scroll down, it says name servers. And you've got the Namecheap default servers, they come set automatically. But what you want to do is come down here to where it says custom, and you enter the name servers in these fields. There'll be 2 name servers at least. Some hosting companies have more, and you can simply click this plus button to add those in. If you're using HostGator, then the name servers are probably going to be ns1.hostgator.com and ns2.hostgator.com. Now, some hosting companies have more than 2 name servers, but there's never fewer than 2 name servers, and it's very important that you have them both done, and you have them both done in the correct order. And then once you've finished doing that, you simply click here on the little check mark. Now, once everything's set up and your name servers are set up so that your domain name and your hosting are logged together, you should be able to log into the control panel for your website. And on most hosting companies, what you have to do is put in the domain name, then /cpanel. Then you enter the username and password. Now, most of the times this will be sent to you by email from your hosting company, although others will let you choose your own one at the time that you sign up. It all depends on the type of hosting company that you have. So you enter that information in there and then click on Login. So let me just pause the video while I do that. And then you'll be redirected through to your control panel. On this particular server, it's using cPanel. And they have various designs for cPanel, so yours might look a bit different from this. But you can see it's got all the things that you can use to access your site, file manager, all the different accounts. You can set your backup wizard, databases, all the things to do with your email, the metrics for your visitors and stats and that sort of thing, security. Now, some software will generally be included as part of your cPanel hosting, and it's going to vary depending on what your hosting account is. Some have add-ons like this particular one has got Softalicious, which is a web apps installer. Others have some web apps under the name Fantastico. It just, again, it all depends on what your hosting package is. Some don't have that at all, and you have to install things like WordPress manually. But once your hosting and your domain and everything is set up, then you can start to move forward and get your site set up.